I've been walking this crooked line, dragging shadows that ain't even mine. Fake smiles and hollow words, the echo of fools I've already heard. Tired of drowning in a shallow sea, surrounded by people who don't care for me. It's time to break the chain, let the poison drain. I'm filtering the noise, calling the ties, tearing down the walls of their shallow lies. Only the good stay, the rest fade away. Chucking the bad, making room for a better day. They called it loyalty, I called it pain. They took my sunlight, left me in the rain. But now I'm done being the one they drain. I've got a new rule book, it's got no stains. No more anchors dragging me down, I'm building a life where I wear the crown.